Hola amigos, how are you? Before we start learning Spanish, I think it proper to make you acquainted to the Spanish language and its importance. While Spanish is global language, the world's second most spoken native language after Chinese. You will be glad to know that Spanish was the first European language here on the American continent. More than 400 million people speak Spanish as their mother tongue, making it most spoken Indo-European language. Spanish is an official language in 21 countries across Europe, Africa, North and South America. Spanish is one of the 6 languages used by the United Nations. It is also used as an official language by European Union, the Organization of American States, the African Union, and by many other international organizations. Spanish is a Romance language, that is, it evolved out of the Romance language, which was the spoken form of Latin. In English, we call this language Spanish, but in Spanish, it has 2 names, Espanol and Castellano. Spanish is a poetic language. It uses many words where English uses only a single one. For example, we in English say clockwise. In Spanish, it will translate, en el sentido de las agujas del reloj, in the direction of the needles of the clock. Why should you learn Spanish? Spanish is a popular travel and foreign study destination. Studying Spanish in schools and universities has also grown in popularity. Mexico and South American countries are open for you if you are good at Spanish. As a tourist, you enjoy more if you speak the native language. Of course, the language is becoming very popular in Asian countries, marking its importance in global economic market. The online use of Spanish has risen by 800% in a few years, and this makes it the 3rd most popular language on internet. Is Spanish a difficult language? Not at all. Take heart, my friend. It is one of the easiest for an English speaker. A good news, is it not? Yes, it is, and for a speaker of French, Italian, Catalan or Portuguese also. But overall, anyone finds it not at all difficult. False accusation. And I have gone through various European languages, but I found Spanish a phonetic, poetic and fantastic language. How will I teach you? I will teach you the right pronunciation, more than basic grammar, and a good deal of words. I make you sure that if you give me a few valuable days, I will make Spanish your beloved language. Just after a few days, you will be speaking Spanish, watching Spanish movies, and listening Spanish songs. Okay, then we are going to meet in the first lesson of our course, Spoken Spanish for Everyone. Resolve form. Make your mind ready. Lend it to me and see how I pour Spanish into it in torrents. See you again. Come prepared and hungry for knowledge and learning. Okay.